What's up, everybody? Back to the channel. DJ Repeat here, and this is the unboxing of the Denon Prime 4. From our boys at Denon DJ, I gotta say thank you very much, and let's get to it. This will probably be a little different than most of the videos you guys receive because you guys have probably seen this 15 times already, so I'm not gonna sit here and go through everything that you've seen already 15 times, but I'm gonna give you some instructions. So, basically, I've already installed a fresh, clean install of 1.6 Denon Dj Prime on my computer. And the transfer of Serato was seamless. It took about, I want to say about 25 minutes for about 2,000 songs each. So you're looking at about that, and that's probably long. Okay, for my full library, my sets and everything was about 25 minutes. So it was relatively easy. I followed a lot of the instructions online. I want to give a shout out to my boys at Crossfader. They walked me step by step, and I'm leaving a link down below for anybody who's going through the same issues that I went through on how to figure out what was the first steps. It actually is really useful. Second is it also has seamless integration for Tractor and Record Box. Also, iTunes integration, everything. It's absolutely beautiful what they've done. I know a lot of DJs out there have been saying stuff about the Pioneer DJ and the all-in-one standalone and how their units are, and everybody's kind of bashing the Denon, saying it still needs work, it's in its infancy. Well, look, I really believe that Denon has done a lot since they're listening to the DJs out there and what they have to say. They're changing the software, they're upgrading the software, they're really doing a lot of things. On listening to the DJs and what they have to say. So I have to give them props. I mean, I've been using the system now, just on my laptop, for probably about 4 days now. It's been awesome. Okay, it's been really good. I haven't had any hiccups. I haven't had any problems. My Serato was transferred over. Absolutely, with all of my cue points, all of my set points, everything was there. It was really, really seamless. All right, so let's get to the box and let's see what this bad boy is all about. Let's do it. Another big box, as you can see. So, another big box over there. As you see there. This unit is not like a lot of little standalones, I'll tell you that right now, because there is no small standalone. That bad boy in all its glory. That's some big boxing. I don't know about you guys. That is some big boxing. I can get lost back here. Where's he go? You see what I'm saying?